Welcome to PowerPoint tutorials on Banahene Tutorial Collections channel. And in this interface of Microsoft PowerPoint, I have all these individual slides, and currently I am settled in this slide. And in this slide, I have some text and I have some pictures available. Now, how can you group a certain pictures to make them one item or one particular element in your slide? And it is very simple to do this. I am going to show you three ways you can group shapes or pictures in PowerPoint. So what you have to do is to hold your control key on the keyboard and select the individual pictures you want to group. And after selecting these pictures, you right click on any of the selected pictures, and in these options we have the option as group. And when you click on group, this is going to group these pictures as one object. Therefore, I can click and drag this to a different location. So this is how to group shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Another way of grouping shapes after selecting this particular pictures is to move to the picture format, and then in the picture format we have this arrange group, and we have this option that is group object. You click and you have the group option available. This also group your individual pictures as one particular item. You can also apply this to shapes. Let me select this slide. Now in this case I have no element apart from these shapes. Therefore, if I select this particular shape, I can hold Ctrl plus A on the keyboard, and this is going to select all these individual shapes available. A quick way to group these shapes is to hold Ctrl plus G, and this is going to group these shapes as one particular object. And as you can see here, so this is how to group shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Another thing I want to share with you, which is a PowerPoint tip, is how to quickly open a new presentation. This is an existing presentation with its individual slides. If I want to open a new presentation, I'll quickly hold Ctrl plus N, and this opens up a new presentation, and I can go forward to create all my slides based on the kind of presentation I want to present. So this is how to create a presentation in PowerPoint. The next one is how to create a new slides. In this new presentation, I have only one slide available. If I want to create a new slide, I can click below this slide, and I have this red horizontal line drawn. Therefore, when I hit the enter key, this creates a new slide. Another way to create a new slide is to right click on this slide or any of this slide, then you choose new slide. You can also select a slide and hold Ctrl plus M on the keyboard. This also creates a new slide. You can also move to your home tab, and we have this new slide button, and when you click, this creates a new slide. If I select this slide, I can move to the insert tab, and under the insert tab we have new slide, and this is also going to create new slides in your presentation. So these are the different ways of creating new slides in PowerPoint. Now the next one is how to enter into the slideshow of Microsoft PowerPoint. Since I have all these slides in my PowerPoint presentation and I want to jump into the presentation mode or the slideshow mode starting from the beginning, I can press the F5 on the keyboard, and this is going to enter my presentation in the slideshow mode. I can use my arrow keys to navigate through my slides, that is back and forth, and you can see I am navigating through all my individual created slides. If I want to cancel the slideshow, I'll press the escape key on the keyboard. Now let's assume I want to start from a specific slide in the slideshow mode. Then I'm going to select the slide in the slide pane. Therefore, after doing so, I'm going to hold the shift key and the F5 on the keyboard, and this is going to start from that current selected slide in our presentation interface. So this is how to quickly enter into the slideshow mode in PowerPoint. Now, whenever you are in the slideshow mode and you want to activate an option or an element known as the laser pointer to point out things on your screen, what you can do is to right click, and then when you right click, we have this pointer options and we have laser pointer. When you click, you have this laser pointer and you can start to point out things on your slideshow mode. And if you want to cancel, you press the escape key on the keyboard. Another way is to move below this slides and we have this option. When you click, you get the laser pointer option and this activates the laser pointer and you can point out things on your screen. Quickly, you can hold Ctrl+L on the keyboard and this also activates your laser pointer and I can start to point out things. When I move to the next slide, I can point out the hard disk, the flash drive, the external hard disk, and also the memory card. So these are some of the tips in PowerPoint I want to share with you. Please like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more content in the near future. See you in the next one.